Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox zombie game. First, open Roblox Studio and select a new baseplate template to begin your project. It's crucial to get comfortable with the Explorer and Properties windows, as these are your main tools for managing game objects and their attributes. Next, establish a basic environment, perhaps with some simple terrain and a player spawn location. Having a clear vision for your game from the start will guide your development process effectively. Now, let's bring your zombies to life. You'll need to implement a basic pathfinding script that allows them to intelligently pursue players across the map. Define their core attributes like health, speed, and attack damage to balance the challenge. Next, set up a spawning system to generate new zombies periodically, perhaps every 30 seconds or so, to maintain constant action. Consider introducing different zombie types, each with unique abilities, to keep players engaged and on their toes. With zombies in place, focus on the player experience. Develop robust player health and damage systems to handle combat effectively. Design a range of weapons, from a basic pistol to a powerful shotgun, each with unique fire rates and damage outputs. Create an intuitive user interface to clearly display vital information like player health, current ammunition, and their score. Finally, add mechanics for players to collect valuable power-ups or in-game currency from defeated zombies, rewarding their efforts. Finally, it's time to polish your creation. Rigorously test all game mechanics, from zombie AI to weapon damage, to identify and fix any bugs or balance issues. Incorporate engaging sound effects for actions like shooting and zombie groans, along with atmospheric background music, to deeply immerse players. Optimize your game's performance to ensure it runs smoothly across a wide range of devices. Remember, gathering player feedback is invaluable for continuous improvement and making your game truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.